Hey everyone, how's it going today? I'm cryptoFOXXY. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So I just want to thank you guys so much. I just hit 2,000 subs and I just appreciate every single one of you tuning into my videos, smashing the like button and commenting. And it's really been a great journey so far. So let's continue with that. We're going to talk about Fetch AI. We're going to look at a price prediction that I found very interesting. It did miss one key component though, and I'm going to see if you guys can figure out what that is before we get to the end of the article. It's something that is major, and it could very well affect the price prediction as well. So let's jump into it. Smash the like button, like you guys always do, and subscribe if you haven't already. That'd be awesome. Thank you so much, guys. So Fetch AI price prediction. I'm not going to really bother with this part of the title. I'm basically just going to focus on the Fetch AI portion of this article. So Fetch AI had achieved a record high following its announcement of $100 million investment in Fetch Compute Initiative. It's designed to boost tools, computing power, and training opportunities available to developers and offers GPU credits. Now, this was announced back in March. They utilize NVIDIA's H200, H100, and A100 GPUs to provide a platform that allows developers and users to tap into significant computing resources. So this helped propel Fetch AI to its all-time highs in the most recent price movements. With several crypto firms now switching their focus to the AI sector, it is anticipated that AI tokens like Fetch AI will gain momentum and aim for a robust high in the coming months. The platform is open sourced and it has tools that allow users to build a variety of ecosystem infrastructures and introduce new business models. So it's supported by a global team of engineers who integrate blockchain, artificial intelligence, and multi agent systems. The platform operates on advanced, scalable distributed ledger technology and incorporates machine learning. So now that we basically know what it does, let's get into the overall price action here. So their ICO was back in February of 2019. So ICO is their initial coin offering, basically when it was first offered. It hit the market later that same month, priced at around 33 cents. So that's about what it started off as. And then came the COVID 19 pandemic. It drove FET's price down to a record low of 20827 on March 13th, 2020. So then it gradually recovered after that. And in early 2021, the crypto market had surged, and FET's price rose above 80 cents in March following the launch of its dedicated Fetch AI blockchain. So then FET also started staking on Binance, and that propelled the price to a peak of $1.19 on September the 8th, and that was in 2021 as well. So then 2022 saw a challenging year. This was a very challenging year for many cryptocurrencies. Prices remained very low, and they basically saw a decline of over 80%. So then 2023, the coin showed recovery. Interest in AI related cryptocurrencies had definitely taken FET to, basically moving the price up because of the hype around AI and the interest in AI cryptos. 2024, we saw FET's price skyrocket above several resistance channels, sending it towards its new all time high of $3.50 in March, following Bitcoin's surge above 70K. So the price forecast and the technical analysis surrounding FET right now is we're seeing a sharp decline from key resistance levels of $3.50, and we are on a heavy downward trend. It's no lie. A lot of cryptocurrencies are right now. There's a bit of macroeconomic factors, geopolitical, all that good stuff, not so good stuff actually, and we're seeing it weighing heavily on cryptocurrency right now. We just saw quite the retrace back a few days ago, the dump actually. Bitcoin had basically dumped, talking about unrest in the Middle East and all that stuff. So those things happen. We were also anticipating a pretty big dump before the halving, which is only in about 5 more days. So we are getting very close. So back to the price prediction here. The bulls are attempting to halt the downturn at $2.40. A rebound from the moving averages could give the bulls another opportunity to challenge the $2.85 level. Overcoming this resistance could lead to a rally up to the higher resistance at $3.60. So basically bring it past all-time high. If the price falls below the moving averages, we could see some sideways trading within the range of about $2 down to about $1.50, and that could persist. So Fetch AI price prediction by blockchain reporter. So this is what we have here. So I'm just going to focus on the next couple of years. 2025 average trading value of about $5. 2026 they're looking at about 7.20, and 2027 they're looking at about $10. So there's one major thing that I'm not seeing in this article, and that's the ASI merger. So if they're thinking FET alone is going to be worth, let's see here, $5 in 2025. Well, we're going to have two other cryptocurrencies merging in with the price of FET. So, what technically would that price be? Are we looking at more of an $8? Because that would be pretty cool, in my opinion. If we'd see prices in 2025 at around $7, $8 for FET or for ASI, sorry, I mean, that would be pretty amazing, in my opinion. However, I don't really understand the point of this article where they don't, incorporate some of the most recent news. I mean, where you're going to see this ASI merger, and it is going to be a major factor in the price of FET, Ocean, and AGIX. So that's something to consider as well. So I take some of these price predictions. This is my point, as with a grain of salt. Some of you guys think just because I'm reading something on the screen, I 100% believe it. I really liked the history of the FET price and what the token does. I thought that that article covered it really, really well. However, the biggest the biggest thing that's happening with this coin is not even mentioned there. So again, take some of these projections with a grain of salt. They're not always 100% right, and the people behind them aren't always very knowledgeable and such as well. Maybe they just wanted to focus on what they knew, and that's perfectly fine. However, we have some other things to consider in that as well. But thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. So hopefully I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.